A4 paper, into 32 pieces, the easiest way. Let's begin. First, take an A4 paper, and fold it in half. Then, take your scissors, and cut it in half. This will make 2 halves. Take one of those halves, and fold them in half. Then cut that in half, and it will make 2 quarters. Take one of the quarters, fold it in half, and cut down the line. Now you will have 2 eighths. Take one of the eighths, fold it in half, and cut down the line. Now you will have 2 sixteenths. Take one of the sixteenths, fold it in half, and cut down the line. Now you will have 2 32nds. I hope this will be helpful for these videos. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.